Oh, here's a video nobody asked for, but here's my racks. I have a 12, a W, 14 with a V, 10, a 31 with a finale, now that's my favorite here, the cross. Pull these tabs out. Straighten these up. And you can shoot them vertically or in a van. Here's a little 18. Don't have the tubes, all the tubes yet, but 4 of them go in a V in the back of the straight on cake. So you got 8 in the back on a V and then 9 up front. And then here's one of my favorites. I don't have tubes yet, but this is a 50 rack. It's gonna be 30 in the middle, and then 10 on this side, 10 on that side, 50 all together in that. Then out of the rest of them, I have this bottle rocket table. Bottle rocket sawhorse. We got big bores, angled on the outside, straight on the center. Big bores for big ones. Little holes for little bottle rockets. Multiples. And I paint them all black with the pink so I can see them at night. But that's my racks so far built. Most of them, like this is 1 by 2 by 3. This is made out of decking ply. This is deck ply, and then deck ply. But that's all my rags so far. Trying to build more. Thanks.